me. I ain't scared to catch a hat, that's why I'm riding with the city. Slid down the wrong.
Really, nigga?
What's there, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. Back at it again with another video, man. Today, man. We got ourselves a front bumper, you feel me? Man, right now I gotta go put it, oh shit, right now, oh, whoa. Right now I gotta go put it in the garage real quick, but I'm probably finna go pick up Tay or somebody so they can help me, or probably like my cousin or somebody, just somebody quick and shit, you feel me? But I get back to y'all when I either got Tay or my cousin or something. It's whoever up and shit, for real. So get back to y'all in a minute. Let's go. Oh shit. All right, YouTube, man. So we back. Box won't fit in there by itself. I was trying some dumbass shit, so we just gonna unbox it right here. You feel me? So hold on real quick. Let me set you guys up real quick. Hopefully that's getting everything tied. Let me take that out. This out. Yeah, let me take that out. Bro, did these niggas break my bumper, bro? What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hell no. Bro, look how they got my shit in here, bro. Did they break my bumper, bro? Hell no. Bro, why these niggas put my shit in here like that and shit, bro? Let me find out which one of y'all niggas did this shit, son. Swear to God, boy. Look how they got my shit in here, son. Like, bro. This shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever packaged this shit, y'all need y'all ass beat, boy. They done bent the fuck out of this bitch. Hold on real quick. Let me put y'all up here or something. Real quick. There we go. Bro, these niggas are bent. Fuck out of this bitch. fuck with y'all been my shit? Put this in a whip real quick. Holy shit. What that be? There we go. Alright, man. So now, I'm gonna go to that boy Tay house. And then I'll get back to y'all when we there. Throw on the bumper and take off the original bumper and all that. I'll get back to y'all in a minute, bro. Alright, you two, man. We back. We at this nigga house and shit. This nigga bad. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm hot ass shit, man.
Yeah, this dog's out and shit.
What are those?
That nigga ugly. Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, for that one nigga, you did a nigga that had something in the back of that bitch. You just don't spin.
Was that the right socket?
Nah, you need a 10. I know that this is 11. I'm just changing my song. I thought I had a 10 yesterday. Bro, I couldn't find a 10. I found that 10 in a wrench though. Shit. So I'm the beauty and shit, real and shit. Mine coming soon for that bitch. You should stay tuned to my channel.
Nigga haven't even posted that one video yet and shit. Nigga, you real?
Bruh, you talking about all that shit, you real YouTuber.
Bro, come on, bro. It's gonna rain in a minute, nigga.
Bro, shut up.
Nigga, you shut up, nigga.
Bro. You gonna see, bro. Nah, man. I don't know about that one, man. No, man. Not that one, man. Not that one, man.
Nigga, oh shit. Bro, come on, bro. See if that shit working shit. See if that shit working shit.
Don't work because PTS chain a bit, nigga. Like I said, something has to be on the other side. If you guys look at this nigga television out of my game. I'm really thinking.
This nigga. Man, this nigga is not no fucking mechanic, bro. Like, I keep trying to tell niggas, like, I'm really mechanic and shit. Like, I really do this shit myself.
Really about to get your pickle chin that boy.
This nigga just wanted to lend a hand and shit. But I really could have did this shit myself at my house and shit. This nigga like, no, bro, pull up at my shit. We can get it done. You feel me, though? I want some tropical smoothie. I thought I had to sneeze for a minute. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all though when we getting started with the bumper though, for real. I'm gonna show y'all step by step and shit, for real. Shut. All right, you two, man. Let me get back to it. Let's get it.
You ain't that best in me.
Don't turn on no more copyright, bro. That shit dead.
It's not copyright, nigga. Bro, what the fuck is you doing? What the fuck going on?
Bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, I've been trying to take this off for 25 minutes, nigga. I ain't gonna, we get back to y'all when it's off real quick. Hold on.
$15 blues, I spent that on my coat. Finna grab a chunky ass cube and I don't fuck with ropes. I ain't stingy with my bitch.